just bring my recording. But my friend lives around here now. Just today he let a screw more now. So for example, what is the screw saying cost na tan? So like what is the genuine cost that Ellen 8 and you small na 3 H degrees. He let a screw more cost that a plus n maybe for 3 H degrees. Okay. Now you let to make you call like dinner to all. Right, okay. Right. So reached he got a screw N360 means fade rotation in it too. So my example immune to cost like cost that Jeremy 750 degrees. Okay. So shouldn't write kernel like cost. Now reach feedway right 3 here chaska is 720 right yeah where so right kernel at 30 degrees plus do maybe for 360 degrees. Okay, so reach signi at how 730 is yeah full rotation. So the Mahasiga question or the graph that the Tasha to go in shaw I guess to go heart 1 full rotation, 2 full rotations. I guess this could be 30 degrees. I guess an Allen shouldn't go away. Trohaki. Okay. I guess reached because the cost positive into region chart, that's going to be positive. So testing will cost 750 degrees. Codjumla costs 30 degrees fast. Okay. So shin rod me into cash cost lesson. Just can you point 360 mohas could you to the fakela rod near to 10 slew na 3 H degrees. Okay, I guess after shan. So it is let in shan merkin to or the lena ye H art in the text lore jeff to will cost a cosma cost a plus n360 which the cosma cost a plus 2n pi. Now then 2n pi shin in radian form. So just the it was quite in the chart as shin because the 360 degrees cosma 2 pi radian. Okay, so just can you cover your shin. So 2n pi shin n radians. Okay, shin is toast in radians. Okay, now here can I shin my you to negative sign. So that means what the middle bala a heart. Now I just go show again and you can show rub on. Yep. Now I'm looking at the graph. Or hamlet is like which graph is arbiter screw sign the minus 120 degrees. Okay, now to sign minus 120. Now the merge 120 gana minus we with balance clock anti-clockwise agoni. But there's the negative sign on that means the middle own x-axis erased from the positive but in clockwise rotation. So that means that we got back 120 degrees of balancing. Okay, so make it as a negative sign. That means the middle own x-axis, positive x-axis, but in clockwise rotation. As the shin kid 50 degrees. Now I'm going to 120 minus 360 to 240. I guess the reason we add this in this rotation causes my sign that yeah here carry degrees. It would carry the top. Okay. Now it is can the upper image in the mark gonna go to calculator. Testing will sign the 240. We'll lock me my reference angle. So the reference angle R Golden chalk because the going to on X ash. So when 120 testing will R cut my shaska degrees. And therefore testing will sign the minus 120 degrees. Cosmla against CAS against T. So the sign negative into the region shown chalk tan gene can to positive. So the sign negative, so therefore to cosma minus sign shaska degrees faster. Okay, and then you look at the sign 60L in the lower table, I guess you do the flicker. Okay, now, should negative sign. Now, the couple of points of the lower table at the tower, could you have slat? I'm going to go my lower table in shot. Share. Was had this lower table, I can't yeah. So, a reach market is through the lower table. Jeffrey does go into region Sean Shaw the lower table. What is saying cost the minus a good should work kernel cost a. Okay. Now Make is a cost like cash machine. I guess the packing to punch it aber shaw. Malachan is a negative point about like here, aber 60 degrees is meant to minus 60 degrees. Chefitu golifad kerne x agus y value kerne givert. So because of that test going will cost the minus a cosmla cos a. Okay. Now when you saying the minus a, so that means aber go with the region shaw and shaw. So just you must just circle it. So aber naskulak with the region and shaw. I guess mis quartus saying the negative a, so aber hanimage and Western Shaw Bala Shaw aber minus 120. So shin the negative a in shin. So shin right kerne malak with the chantan and shin. So reach malak this is saying the negative 120 shin right kerne la minus saying 60. So shin right kerne la 60 in shaw. Okay. I guess the shin positive, the shin negative, so the at I saying on, so reach the minus saying the a in shin. Okay. I guess the right kerne when you tan, to tan the minus a, cosmla minus tan a. So reach bimajatan formula shin usage in the your table, the bit able to kujulat, the bit able to kujulat, nikashni hit lena liana. Okay. Can Ellen chen not a proof of when la full maguf. So a chain proof, so just remember back as you screen share you this in the end, come on. Now, a chain can the high microhu na le cruhu go sine squared a plus cos squared a cosma heen. I guess you have to shin screech or boer at log tables and shin. Now, merchant is the lower table shin a screech a boer and shin cos squared a plus sine squared a cosma heen, so just screech by the homes right turn it on. So the cos squared a plus sine squared a cosma heen. So kinda jiggling shin a cruhu. Now, malak within your unit circle. Okay, so malak within your unit circle. We just turn to start the circle. Okay, it's just like with punch or a circle shin. So obviously, my level or margin shin cos a sine a. Okay, now malak within your right angle triangle shin. Okay, shin the hypotenuse. Is malak with ln a in shaw. Shin the opposite, I guess shin the adjacent. Okay, so hypotenuse opposite, I guess adjacent. Don triantan dron alla. So just time shin shala do triantan dron alla shin shin. Okay. Now test ogni a good set theorem Pythagoras. Or rot me get a crew golafad ocean. Test gun golafad ocean. Gujishin kodjum la heen. Okay. So malak within your funche 0 0. I guess cos a sine. Well, can you give a coordinate geometry on junior cert? So malak with your fad or punch away and gg punch elle. No hocklat Pythagoras theorem usage faster. Because can you be cos a cosmla o so we sine a cosmla a in Chernobyl or margin. So hocklat Pythagoras theorem usage faster. But it is to go such a distance formula or the text on coordinate geometry to x da luja x heen kerne here plus y da luja y heen kerne here cosmla a fad onye funche. So in the cash shot we get each of them in cosmla heen. Because tasking gold h cosmla heen in a unit circle. Now I'm lock within you x heen, y heen, x da, because y da. Okay, so x heen, y heen, x da, y da. Coordinate geometry, a lineage to be able to. So x da shin 0. Actually, we change what's the new balance. Yeah, should offer, but you don't really care anyway. X da, y da, x heen, y heen. Yeah, should offer. You to cos a minus 0 squared plus sine a minus 0 squared. As we get a crew goes in cosmna, obviously this in cosmna. H and Josh and Heen. So fad ushin because the unit circle is not a cosmla heen. We wait to shinema you to cos squared a plus sine squared a. Because cos A for cos A use the cos squared A. Okay, agus sin like square root codjumla hin. Okay, so mus carna midge yetu test going equal cos squared A plus sin squared A codjumla hin carne so sin hin. Agus sin a cruhu don formula. Okay, agus sin actually sketch his ag bon le hena yehi chaska like. Okay. So sin chain rod the heis fasuguf own chapter sin. So raimage ray agus just sin mich we yen shu kishni office quick she's gji troha art. But you know my kish just troha shart agus troha art party he deep and then bejoin hadden or betchen part journalist between ad and hojaliene. Which are a guf jigum shall robalama.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do shit and it's just good.
Yep.
Okay. Right. So again, yeah. Now, making this I'm afraid just couple part journal the trash our stars between adding yet party in a better. So make the kiss trash sharp party 3. Okay, so what the hog should do there's a verify equal cos squared A plus sin squared A codjumla hin there's the A codjumla here chart more degrees. Okay, so sin rod the image kruhu. Okay, so reached to image smooth sin A agus cos A at 270 degrees. Okay, so malakam then your unit circle. Like time just here chart more degrees to make bolu he's and shaw. Okay, so American tester the your tablet. Share.